Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing the strangers pick my makeup challenge, and but I can't really step out of the house because I am very introverted and I am very shy. So another way of doing this is I'm gonna go on a website called Omegle, and or Omegle, however you want to pronounce it. And I'm gonna put my interest as makeup, and I'm gonna ask like questions about like what should I do. You will follow along while I am choosing the makeup. And yeah, also I apologize for filming after a long time, uploading after a long time, but thank you for your patience, and without further ado, let's just get started, shall we? Logged on onto the website, and I'm putting my interest as makeup, and I'm gonna go and start a chat. I'm typing strawberry or peaches for blush. I said strawberry or peaches. Oh my gosh, why am I so nervous? Stranger has disconnected. It's taking so long. So he said peaches. We're gonna use a peach blush. And this is like peachy coral. And thank you, whoever you are. And I'm gonna just apply some peach blush. I'm so happy. I love peach. I was like dying. I was like, hope so no one picks strawberry. As I said, I have to go really ham on pink. But now I don't. I'm just not gonna screen record because it's taking too much time, and I'm gonna just put screenshots. So let's head on to highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm gonna say, which name do you prefer, Gloria or Matilda? Gloria for glowy, so, and Matilda for matte. So person disconnected. Let's put highlight on a highlight. I hate this. This is so awkward. If the person disconnects, I'm gonna be so pissed. Highlighter. He said highlight a question mark, so I'm gonna put highlighter. I'm so mean. Wait. I didn't screenshot. So I'm just gonna screenshot. I'm gonna apply highlighter. I'm about to acne right now, so I'm so sorry about that. So now we're gonna do eyebrows, and for eyebrows I'm gonna say which sport is better, archery or golf. Archery will be sharp eyebrows, golf will be like naturalish eyebrows. The person is taking forever to respond. I hate this. Are you kidding me? Person is taking forever. Okay. He said arc, which is like archery. So we're gonna do really sharp eyebrows, I guess. Like whoever is replying to my question must be so confused. Like, what is he asking? Archery or golf? Peaches or strawberries? Highlight or no highlight? I'm actually the worst. So no, for eyes, I'm gonna ask, what's your favorite eye color? What's your favorite color? Basic or colorful? I'm bring basic or colorful. Basic, I'll use like nudes, warms, oranges, and colorful I'll do like some color. Okay, he said basic. So I'm so happy.
Are you sure about that?
Morphe second nature palette. So I'm gonna take a warm brown and I'm gonna put it in my crease. I'm gonna take this goldy coppery shade and I'm gonna put it on my lid. The gold shade, and I'm gonna highlight my inner tear duct. Okay, now I'm gonna put some of that brown that I put in my crease on my lower lash line. I'm gonna ask a person now, chicken or beef. For winged liner, I'm gonna say chicken or beef. Chicken is a bird, so we'll do wings. Beef is not a bird, it's a cow, so no wings. So we just do like a thin liner. Chicken or beef. I hope the person replies. Please reply. The person said beef and disconnected, so I'm so happy. I don't have to pay for it. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Okay, so it's beef. Yes, I'm vegetarian. I know why I'm so happy. So I'm gonna do some thin lines. With a basic line, so that's good. So now I'm just gonna apply some mascara, and now all that is left is lips. So for lips, I'm gonna ask, let me think. I'll just ask, which is your favorite lipstick? What's your favorite lip color? Hope the person says something logical and doesn't disconnect. Please. The person said red. Okay. I want to say thank you. So I'm gonna just get a red lipstick and I'm gonna apply it and I'm gonna be right back. So guys, this is how my makeup turned out. That is the red. I know why it looks pink on camera, and I set my face, and this is how it turned out when I let strangers pick my makeup. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I know it was kind of awkward and kind of cringy, and I know, and it was really unexpected for me, and I was really scared going into this. But I feel that instead of doing a get ready with me like I've done in the past, I thought I'd do something new, so I did this strangers pick my makeup thing. I know it wasn't the best content, and but I tried, and I hope you at least liked it a bit. And don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and thank you for watching. Bye.